Hello and welcome back to the show, Learn Science and Chemistry. I'm your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu, and today we are talking about one of the most fascinating and versatile element in the periodic table, magnesium, symbol Mg. This lightweight silvery white metal is everywhere in our bodies, in the food we eat, in the fireworks lighting up in the sky, even in aeroplanes. Magnesium is not only vital for life but also for modern industry. So let's dive into 10 amazing facts about magnesium and see why it's so special. Fact number 1. Magnesium is the eighth most abundant element in the Earth's crust, making up about 2% of it. Fact number 2. It's essential for human health. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in our body, including energy production, muscles contraction, and nerve functions. Fact number 3. Magnesium is one of the lightest structural metal, which makes it ideal for aerospace and automobile industries. Fact number 4. It burns with an intense bright white flame. That's why it's used in fireworks, flares, and even old photography flash bulbs. Fact number 5. Magnesium was first discovered in 1808 by Sir Humphrey Davy through electrolysis of magnesium oxide. Fact number 6. It's highly reactive. Magnesium reacts with acids and water to release hydrogen gas, though it's less reactive than sodium. Fact number 7. Plants can't live without magnesium. It's the central atom in chlorophyll, the molecule that makes photosynthesis possible. Fact number 8. In medicine, magnesium compounds like magnesium sulfate, commonly known as Epsom salt, are used for muscles relaxation, digestion, and even medical treatments. Fact number 9. Magnesium forms a protective oxide layer when exposed to air, which helps prevent rapid corrosion. Fact number 10. About 60% of the body's magnesium is stored in bones, making it crucial for strong and healthy bones. Isn't that incredible? From supporting life at the cellular level to making aeroplanes fly, magnesium truly is the mighty metal behind life and industry. If you loved these facts, you will enjoy my book, Interesting Facts About All Elements of the Periodic Table, where I shared amazing insight on all 118 elements in a fun and easy to understand way. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in. Stay curious, keep exploring, and join me again as we uncover more wonders from the worlds of science. Friends, you can also get notes of this podcast and facts about magnesium along with its physical and chemical properties with infographics on magnesium, whose link is given in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening today's podcast. Don't forget to like and share this podcast with your friends. Thanks again to listening this podcast.